This is how to clean a dirty mouse pad. You can't really see it on my mouse pad, but it's pretty dirty, like speckly all over it. And like when I slide my mouse across it, sometimes it just catches on it, and it really pisses me off. So I'm gonna teach you how to do that today. First thing you're gonna want is your mouse pad, then some shampoo, any regular shampoo. You don't want any like hydrating stuff or anything with conditioner. So just basic shampoo is awesome. Cheaper the best, honestly, just because it's straight soap. I think you could use dish soap, but I'm not going to. Next, you're going to want a blow dryer to dry it off so you can get right back to gaming. Next is a sink. Now, with the sink, you want it to be able to plug like that so you can fill it up with warm water. While the sink is filling up, you're going to want to grab your soap and your mouse pad, and when there are heavy spots that couldn't come clean with like a brush or hitting it against something, because sometimes it's just dust, you're going to want to just squirt it on there. And we're going to shut this off because that's enough. And then see, I put a little too much on there, but what you're going to do is you're going to want to grab it, and you're just going to want to rub it in. Just rub it in all over it. Make sure your hands are clean because oils will rub off on it sometimes. Just get it all in there. There we go. So after we finish putting it on all your spots, well, this is where I keep my mouse, so it's really not all over, but it really doesn't necessary. You just want to grab it, and you're going to want to squish it together like this, and get it in there, get your hand in there, just squeeze it all off, like that, rub it, real good. Now you'll see, look at that color that you might have to repeat this process 2 or 3 times to get it to fully get clean. But it should get clean for the most part. I'm just going to want to keep doing that. Now I'm going to drain it and then turn the water on to, get all that extra, like this little cloud of soap that was left. Like that, and get the underside first. It sounds like a dying cat, but it's pretty. It'll get the job done. Just keep getting it underneath. All over underneath, and you're going to keep rubbing your hand like this across it. It'll pull up some of the soap, and that's how you know you got to go and do it again, is if there's still some soap on there and you can see it. Like, see all that soap that I'm going like this, and it's just coming up. Like down here there's a lot for some reason. Just need to dry that off like I'm doing here. Turn it up to high. There we go. And it's pretty clean. We're going to try to get it to the window and see if you can see that. It's pretty clean though. So, thank you. Comment, rate, and subscribe for more.